3, 2, 1.
Welcome, baby girls, to the world of vampires, where the night is a playground. I'm Flawless Mika, Zawatan. Today I'll show you how to unleash your inner immortal. क्योंकि मरा हुआ दिखना is a new trend. And before someone calls it a goth makeup look, baby girl, no, it's not goth, it's vampire makeup look. Believe me, please. So, skincare is a must in any makeup look. When vampires need flawless skin, तुम जिंदा हो या नहीं, दबा के skincare करो बस. Moisturize your skin like there is no tomorrow. First, apply a primer, and for the base, we're going pale, babe, pale as F. A look that screams, हमने डायनासोर्स विलुप्त होने के बाद सूरज देखा ही नहीं है. सूरज कौन? The sun, of course. What the heck? Am I afraid? And if someone says, why do you look so pale? Just say, because I don't chase the sun. The sun chases me, babe. Contour, cause baby girl, vampires don't do soft cheeks. We go for cheekbones sharp enough to cut through your ex's throat, and I mean it. And अगर अब तुम कुछ ज़्यादा ही skinny लग रहे हो तो बस बोल दो I skipped breakfast and lunch and dinner for 300 years. Here I'm applying a concealer. ये जादू से तुम्हारे पापों को, स्लीपलेस रातों को and poor life decisions को मिटा देंगे. And then blend it like you would like to erase your past. मिट ही नहीं रहा है वह. ये ट्रांसल्यूसेंट पाउडर मेरे मेकअप का इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी है. चाहे मेरे लाइफ का ड्रामा कितना भी हो, मेरा बेस हिलना नहीं चाहिए. पता है क्या, अगर ये ट्रांसल्यूसेंट पाउडर वैम्पायर्स के ज़माने में होता तो ड्रैकुला भी आज इंस्टाग्राम इन्फ्लुएंसर होता. It's a bad joke. I know it. For the eyes, we're using red, burgundy and purple colors. Go for darker colors and blend it properly, cause baby girl, unblended eyeshadow is scarier than the रिश्तेदार saying, और बेटा कितने मार्क्स आए? हाँ. I swear they're so scary. Make a wing eyeliner, and अगर तुम्हारा wing eyeliner equal ना हो तो बस confidently बोल दो, this is creativity, bitch. You won't understand it. Vampires don't chase perfection. हम बस ड्रामा के लिए जीते हैं. I have no idea why I look like a raccoon here, but trust the process. Either I'm using red and pink under the eyes, and it's giving I haven't slept since the 18th century, but I'm still obsessed with it. And फिर ऐसे लाइन्स बनाओ जैसे कि तुम खून के आंसू रो रहे थे. Basically red and black eyeshadow, and it's not really noticeable under the light, so make it dark. Why does it look like मेरे आँखों से बाल निकल रहे हैं? Never mind. As I said, trust the process. Use a red color pencil or eyeshadow above your eyes and smudge it to give that dried blood effect. For the lips, go bold. I use wine and maroon lipstick with lip gloss only at the center, and it gives me that अभी ही खाना खा के आई हूँ वाला effect, and I love it. Like खाना, I hope you know what I mean. And baby girls, if someone asks you lips पे क्या है, बस कह दो पास्ट क्राइम्स का एविडेंस। I prefer straight hair for the makeup look, and I actually forgot to apply highlighter, so I'll do it now. For the highlighter you can use icy tones. Not gonna lie, this makeup is giving I stay up plotting revenge. And here's the results, baby. You can try it and slay. I mean, don't actually slay. Slay the makeup, of course. Gosh. Like, share, and subscribe, baby girls. Bye bye. Stay spooky, stay glamorous, and avoid sunlight. Bye, bestie.